Who's the most recent member of the inner circle? Well, I know for a fact that when I was set up in Las Vegas at CoCreate, that we had several people come up. What was amazing about Alibaba.com's event, CoCreate, is that there were 2,700 sellers there. Massive. And most of them were selling in other platforms. So you have like people selling on Walmart, people selling on Etsy, people selling on their own Shopify site. So I would say like a third were Amazon sellers. Mostly people wanted to learn Amazon, but it's just like this thing that's hard to learn for them. And so by having a booth there, I had so many quality conversations of people that were like, hey, I'm doing a little bit with this product that I invented, or I'm selling this stuff over here, or I'm drop shipping this stuff. And I said, well, what about Amazon, like private label? And so I had several people sign up that are already starting to rethink the way they do e-commerce, rethink the way they do Amazon, because you have to do it the right way or you're going to lose your money. You have to look at the data. You have to look at the keywords that your competitors are winning on. You have to understand what people are searching for. And the number one rule is you can't create demand on Amazon. So we always try to start with that premise. What are people searching for? How are competitors winning? Can I do something better and capture that demand that's already there? And so just that mindset shift fires people up because they've already been creating products. They've already been doing something. And when I tore down their products, I'm like, look, here's your product. You're missing all these keywords, man. Like, you're doing okay. You're selling 100 units a month, but you should be selling 600 units a month. And, I had a couple people sign up after that. It's pretty easy to show them, with the right data, what you can do.